But I also train them so they don't need a stand. I don't milk and stand shit.
So we're so excited to be welcoming Chris and his animals to Pine Street Woods. We have a meadow here that was heavily grazed by cattle for decades, and as a result, it's in need of some restoration. It's very overcome with weeds and has poor productivity. So we're hoping to restore that in a very innovative, wholesome fashion by using a mixed herd of grazing animals to bring back the grasses and the forbs that naturally would colonize this area.
I mostly have goats. There's mostly goats. There's 8 sheep, 5 llamas, and 2 yaks. So every evening I move this fence and I take the animals out, and a lot of times I'll walk them around. I'll probably be walking through the meadow and stuff.
Please continue to come to Pine Street Woods. Just be aware that these animals are here and be respectful of their presence. We especially ask that people who are bringing dogs keep their dogs on a leash so that the dogs don't frighten these animals. Feel free to ask Chris about his work and his animals. He's very willing to visit with people and share information.
Absolutely, kids can always talk to me, and as long as it's okay with their parents, kids are welcome inside with the goats when I'm around. And I'll let them in there, and then they're welcome to hang out with the babies, or just with any of them. They're really friendly. The big white one, Gillian, loves to have kids on his back. He'll usually just stand there or sit down. And yeah, the llamas and the yaks are more standoffish. They won't hurt kids, but they're just gonna back off. So the goats are really the ones to play with. And there's lots of babies and lots of friendly adults. So
they are behind an electric net fencing, so know that this is an electrified fence. This is definitely a trial, but we're hopeful that we can repeat it. We understand that it takes several years to really see a significant transformation across a landscape that's been used in the way that this meadow has. So we expect that it could take 3 to 5 years to achieve the result that we're looking for, and we hope that we can continue to work with Chris next year.